So let's see what it looks like. A little nervous, but let's check this out. To my inside. So I'm actually going to keep my shoes on just because we're getting things ripped up in here. And not totally gutted, but wow, oh my goodness. And this is where the bathroom's going. This is the I say bathroom meaning the the tub and the shower area. This is the, wow, I'm stepping on the concrete. So this is looking out into the valley down here. Wow, okay. And on into the bedroom. So this whole wall here is this is all actually gonna be gone. So this should be an entrance directly from the foyer into the bathroom. Yeah, wow, washer and dryer is supposed to go here. Actually, that's the little drain for the washer. So that's supposed to be new piping and everything. This whole floor is up and out of here. Wow, so yeah, they're starting to try out this closet. This is gonna be all part of the walk-in area. This was the little shoe closet. This is gonna be part of the walk-in. Wow, again. Yeah, so this is all gonna be part of the new closet to building. Wow, yeah, this is actually pretty cool. So this is getting ripped up. Yeah, this is all garbage. They're taking this all up out of here, no doubt. And oh my goodness, goodbye to Tommy. Just totally gutted. Oh my goodness, kitchen, yes, wow, totally gutted. This is pretty cool. Kitchen, this is all gonna be new stuff, not covering, new kitchen. Wow, get it out of here. Sweet. I love this view from the kitchen. This is gonna be so fun. I can't wait to cook and grill. I don't know if you can see it, but that's Haruka's over there and Osaka. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. Oh, I'm actually really excited. This is just day one. I can't wait to see this floor ripped up and out of here. This is all gonna be solid one floor, so this is all coming out. This is actually probably where I'm still trying to figure out where the desk is gonna go. Nuts. Oh my goodness. I'm just surprised at how ripped up this place could be. Oh my goodness, there was a wall. Oh no, there wasn't a wall here. This is gonna be a wall. There's gonna be a wall here from here. And this is supposed to be my, okay, yeah, so this is gonna be the new wall. This is gonna be a new wall here. Nice, beautiful evening. It's right about 6 o'clock, a little bit after 6 in the evening. You can see this is just freaking beautiful. Just beautiful.